Managing overhead costs effectively is crucial for accurate estimates and the financial health of a printing business. My name is Emmanuel Amo, and today we'll look at these costs in the printing industry, which cover expenses like rent, salaries, equipment maintenance, supplies, insurance, marketing, office supplies, professional fees, and transportation. However, many industry players neglect them and use standard pricing methods to cover this. Effectively managing these overhead costs is crucial for maintaining profitability and ensuring the smooth operation of a printing business. Here are some best practices. Today, our discussion outline include data collection, cost allocation, real-time tracking, job costing, reporting and analysis, integration with accounting system, scalability and customization. And for the so now let's take them one after the other. The first one is data collection. If you use the PrintMix software, it collects data from various sources within the printing operation, including labor costs, machine usage, materials, and other overhead expenses like utilities and maintenance. Data collection in a printing business is vital for optimizing operations, improving efficiency, managing inventory, understanding customer behavior, and maintaining financial health. It helps to streamline processes, reduce downtime, prevent waste, tailor marketing strategies, enhance customer satisfaction, and make informed decisions for long-term success. Another crucial outline that we want to discuss is cost allocation. The software then allocates these costs to specific jobs based on predefined criteria. For instance, machine usage costs might be assigned based on the time a job spends on a particular press, while labor costs might be allocated based on the hours worked by staff on a specific project. Then we have real-time tracking. Modern estimating softwares allow for real-time tracking of expenses, providing up-to-date information on how much each job is costing the company. This helps in making timely adjustments to keep costs under control. Here is the explanation. If an operator works on a machine, real-time data can track machine speed and operator efficiency. This data enables instant adjustment for optimal performance, reducing downtime and improving operations through dynamic responsiveness and better decision making. Another important point for consideration is job costing. By integrating with other systems like inventory management, and production scheduling, the software can provide a comprehensive view of job costing. This includes not just direct costs, but also indirect overhead, ensuring that all expenses are captured accurately. When it comes to reporting and analysis, the software generates detailed reports that help managers analyze the profitability of different jobs. It can highlight areas where costs are higher than expected, enabling the company to take corrective actions. And another important part of the process is the integration with accounting systems. So the software is able to integrate with the company's accounting software, estimating tools, ensure that all financial data is consistent and up to date. This streamlines the overall financial management process, reducing errors and improving. From all that I've said so far, creating a collaborative environment is essential for the project's sustainability by fostering teamwork among accounting, finance, production, and estimators. You can enhance the efficiency of your estimating software and improve financial outcomes for your business. Roles and responsibilities. If you have an IT department, they will manage the system setup, data integration, and technical support. And the users include estimators and production managers. They will provide data inputs like entering job specifications, material costs, labor rates, and other relevant data. Then, for cost estimation, you can utilize the software to calculate cost estimates for print jobs and generate financial reports. But before all these things can start, you have a developer who will design it, and that is the work my company does. We design and customize the software as well as provide user training, and then finally the financial department can use it to analyze software data for budgeting, planning, and financial analysis. Then management can also utilize the software insights for decision making and performance monitoring to meet financial objectives. Collaboration among these departments ensures the effective utilization of the estimating software for precise financial forecast, cost management, and profitability. So that's it. Our contact details are on the screen. You can email us through info@depresult.com, or my phone number is on the screen. Alternatively, you can head over to the next screen, the next page, which gives you more information about my contact, our website, and our email address. So you can get in touch with us for further discussion. Thank you, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.